Did you know that there are some gut health tests that you can order online and do at home? And the quality of these tests are actually the same tests that your doctor uses and very possibly even sends away to the same lab? I'm going to share with you what these tests are and where you can get them. Now, I'm not promoting being your own doctor, so if your test results come in positive, definitely talk with your doctor about it. And if your test results come out negative, you can do the same thing. But sometimes being able to just doing these gut health checks at home is really convenient. I can vouch for the companies being 100% legitimate and the results trustworthy because I have done them myself. I would never recommend anything that I haven't done myself and got verifiable good results from. I'm actually not being paid to promote this product whatsoever, so I'm making this video out of goodwill that it could actually help you. All right, let's get started with what those at-home gut health tests are. Test number 1, SIBO, small intestine bacterial overgrowth. Now this test is a breath test, and it's the same breath test that many doctor offices use to test for SIBO as well. Now this test can either test for a methane gas or a hydrogen gas. Those are the two gases that SIBO can produce depending on which type of SIBO that you have. This test that I'm about to recommend to you that I did measured both of them, the methane and the hydrogen gases, which makes it really convenient and actually less expensive too because you're not ordering two separate tests. They sent me the test with the breath tubes and instructions on how to take the test. I mailed it off and received my test results within about 3 days via email. Here's what my results look like. Obviously, your test results may look very different, but I just want to show you here how easy it is to read and what the results format looks like. If this test is something you want to do for yourself, stay tuned to the end of this video and I will share with you where you can get it online. Test number 2, a parasites test. Now, parasites are not typically something doctors check for too often, which is why I wanted to do this test for myself. I did my research, I educated myself on types of parasites that can cause digestive disturbances and complications. Certain parasites can cause IBS symptoms and other digestive problems. I found this test that had the parasites I wanted to specifically test for. I ordered the test online, and once the stool samples were collected, I mailed them off to the lab. Here's what my results form looks like. Obviously, your test results could be different. And if this is something you want to do for yourself, stay tuned to the end of this video and I'll share with you where you can get it online and also a money-saving coupon code. Test number 3, a gut biome test. Now this is definitely a test that you're probably never going to be offered from a doctor's office. It measures your gut flora, inflammation markers, and other digestive function markers. It covers actually a lot of stuff, but because it's so comprehensive, it is also the most expensive of the 3 tests. Like the other tests I ordered online, I collected the stool samples and then mailed them off to the lab. Here's what my results form looks like. It's very easy to read with a visual graph that just shows you if you are in the normal range, the deficient, or the excess range. Okay, so where do you get these tests? The first test, the SIBO test by Metabolic Solutions. This is their website right here, and I also provide a link in the description below. The other 2 tests, the parasite test and the gut biome test, those are from Verasana Labs. Now for this one, I have a 5% discount code for you, and then the link is in the description below. Just keep in mind, if you don't use the discount code, you don't get the discount. More on the Verasana website. They offer a large selection of home tests with the mail and lab results. You can order hormone tests of all kinds, such as cortisol, estrogen dominance, progesterone, DHEA. They've got STD tests available. Other tests like thyroid, keto inflammation, metabolic typing, and many more types of gut health tests too. Everything that you see here, that's a lot of tests. The 5% off discount code that I have for you in the description below is for any and all of these tests available on their website, not just the ones that I discussed in the video. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to my channel here. Plus, if you want to know what this is, you may be interested in learning more about mucoid plaque and how to expel it with a colon cleanse. Watch my video right here featuring my authentic footage of my mucoid plaque cleanse, and I also give you the information on what I did to expel it. Have a great day, and I'll see you next time.